Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change Xfinity Wi-Fi password. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Xfinity web application. Not necessarily the first thing you need to do, but you need to learn how to create your Xfinity ID. How do you do that? Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, go ahead and type xfinity.com. That's going to take you to the official website for Xfinity. In there, follow through the on-screen prompt to sign in or to sign up. Sign up by creating a new unique ID. Sign in if you have an existing ID, and you can just launch your account from there. Now let's hop into today's task, which is how to change your Xfinity password. Here are 3 ways to go about that. Number 1, if you're using the X1 TV box, view only, no login required, here are the steps that you can take. So that's for the Xfinity Internet customers with gateways. Press the Xfinity button on your remote. Now press the right arrow to get to the gear icon, and then press the down arrow and choose help. Once you get to the help section, press the right arrow, you get there, choosing the Wi-Fi tile under the troubleshooting section. So the Wi-Fi passwords and network names will show up on the screen. All you need to do is to just edit, make changes, and save. That's all. Now, if you're using the Xfinity application, pretty simple. Here is how you can get that done. Log into the Xfinity application, which can be downloaded on App Store or Google Play. Once you get it to the home page of your Xfinity application, select the Wi-Fi tab. So click on the Wi-Fi tab, and then once you click on the Wi-Fi tab, you're going to see a couple more options. One of them is Wi-Fi details. So click on Wi-Fi details. And once you click on Wi-Fi details, on the pop-up, you're going to see Edit Wi-Fi settings, which is going to be shown at the bottom of your screen. So click on Edit Wi-Fi settings. Now on that same screen, you can view or change your Wi-Fi name or Wi-Fi password. And once you're done, please don't forget to click Save. If not, your changes will not be made. Click Save, and that's all. Now, if you're using the Xfinity Wireless Gateway Admin tool, these are the steps that you can take. Connect a computer, tablet, or phone to your network. Now, you can either use the Wi-Fi or hook up an Ethernet cable to your gateway. Open the browser, any browser of your choice, and go to the admin tool. Now, in the browser, click on HTTP or type in http://10.0.0.1. And then this is the Wireless Gateway's administration site. Once you get in there, you're going to be asked to enter a username and a password. Now use the default username, which is admin, small cases, and then use the password should be password, small cases. Remember, it's case sensitive. Now once you enter that, select login. Once you click on login, that's going to be it. Now, if you have changed your password and username, you're going to have to enter your unique username and password instead of using the default ones. Once you log in, on the left navigation menu, you're going to see the gateway option. Click on gateway, and once you click on gateway, click on connection, and once you click on connection, click on Wi-Fi. Now on the private Wi-Fi network, you will see the name SSID of your Wi-Fi network. Once you see that name, select Edit next to it. If you see 2 network names, select Edit for both the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands to view each band setting. Once you have edited, check the box next to Show Network Password, and you'll see your password. Now, after making changes, go ahead and select Save Settings. And once you click on Save Settings, that's going to be it. The new password that you entered will be changed. So this is pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. Of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.